Hey tribe, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the first episode in a series on spring maintenance. So we'll walk you through on how we do it. Hopefully you can pick up a few things and drop a comment or two and let us know how you do things or a specific trick you might have. So stick around, we'll be right back. Okay crew, if you remember, if you watched our dewinterization video, last thing I did was left the fresh water tank full and I had turned off the pump. Should still be some residual pressure behind that, and there is just a little, so that's probably a good sign that I didn't have no water leaks. So as we get into our spring maintenance here, I will go ahead and drain the fresh water tank. Now remember, it has bleach water in it, so even though it's very diluted, still want to be a little careful as we get under the camper here. Now this will splash, especially on my model, so all right, next step in our spring maintenance cleanup is I go through the RV. I've got mothballs laid around throughout the RV, close to where I feel like any rodent could get in. So I get those all out. Sometimes they melt away, that's why I put them in the coffee filter so they don't stain anything. I got them up in the generator compartment, under the galley sink, and up in the storage compartment. Next thing I do is put the slides out. So I always start with the bedroom slide. And once we get the slides out, I go around and check seals. Next I'll do the sofa slide. Okay. Sounds like the seals are coming out on it. Another thing I do is, as soon as I hear that grinding or the motor drawing down, I let off the button. Now we'll go outside and we'll check the seals. Okay guys, so now I'm outside. I'm just looking at the seals from ground level. And you can see I took some of the fuzzy side of Velcro and I run that there a couple inches out to make sure those seals flip. Been working real good. This side I never have a problem with because of this window. But I did the same thing here. All the seals look turned out. So next, when I get ready to get up on the roof to check it out, I will get my silicone that I use for the seals, and take it up there with me and show you how we spray those down. Okay guys, Today is roof inspection day. So I get up here on the ladder and get up on the roof. I start at the rear and I look at all the seams. Everything's looking good. We'll probably wash the roof here. Look for soft spots in the roofing. Around the skylight. Just any place there's a seam. Top of the front cap looks good. So while I'm up here, I'll check the top of the slides and I'll go ahead and lube these slide seals while I'm up here. So that way I knock out two birds with one stone, so to speak. This right here, I hope you can read that, is slide out seal conditioner, Teford brand. This is what I use. So while I'm up here, just be checking the top, make sure I got no split separation from the wall, and that none of the seal looks rotten or that it's given out. It's all pliable, and then I just spray some conditioner on it. Like that. I do both slides, and then we call the seals conditioned for the year. Okay guys, so I start up here top. I can see I got some resealing to do here, but I'm just going to start giving these seals a coat. And I'll do this on all the seals, and while I'm moving along I'll be checking the sides here, the sealant, and making note and repairing that before the season starts here. Okay guys, next thing we're going to do is wrap up this video and leave you with the tip. When you're doing your spring maintenance, don't forget your coffee maker. Commander's #1 tip right there. Make sure you take care of your coffee pot. It's an opportunity for us. We descale and make sure it's tuned up and ready to roll, because we don't travel without coffee. Hey, we appreciate you watching. Till next time, make sure you check us out on S&S RV Adventures on Facebook. Look forward to seeing you there too. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, safe travels.